Hello everyone, welcome to our Engineering YouTube channel. So friends, in this session, we are going to solve a problem based on orthographic projection, and the problem statement is the figure shows pictorial view of an object using first angle method of projection, draw front view, left hand side view and top view. Now observer is looking from x direction. The x direction for this problem is here, and we want front view for this object, top view and left hand side view. Now the step first is to find a plane. So here you can see this is a front view plane, this is a top view. On vertical plane we get a front view, on horizontal plane we get a top view. And if the observer is looking from left side, this is left hand side, this is left hand side, so we get the left hand side view on my right side. So this is a left hand side view plane. So for this problem we required plane first, plane second and plane third. After that, read the drawing carefully, find the dimensions, find the missing dimensions. Now here, this is the x direction. Observer is looking this object from x direction. At that time, from this end to this end is the length of this object, and the length is 80 plus 40, 120 plus 10. So length of this object is 130 mm. Height of this object from base to this plane surface height is 30 mm, and from this plane surface to top surface height is 30. 30 plus 30 is the height, it is 60 mm is the height, and width is 20 plus 20 plus 20. So this is the width side, 20 20 20. So width for this object is 60 mm. Now we have find the overall dimensions of this object. Now after that, you can see here this vertical edge distance is not given in this problem, but you can see here the flat surface and the projection of this flat surface is up to this vertical edge. From base to top, the height of this edge is 30 mm. So these two edges are same. The dimension of this vertical edge and this vertical edge is same. Similarly, the dimension of this vertical edge is also same. So this is a flat surface up to this corner point. Now in this problem, this two sides distance is not given, but you can see the total width is 60 mm, the total thickness of this object is 60 mm, and the middle distance is given, this distance is 30 mm. So 60 minus 30, the total width is 60, 60 minus 30 is 30, so 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the distance of this edge along the width side is 15 mm and 15 mm. Similarly, the edge, this edge, both the edges are parallel, so the two edges distance are 15 mm. This distance is 30. Now from this drawing reading, we can easily find the dimensions. Now see the solution. Draw the xy line first. This is a horizontal xy line. Now draw the vertical x1 y1 line, which is perpendicular to the base. This is another plane, another axis. This is x1 y1. Now draw the another reference line. ती रेफरन्स लाईन असणार आहे ह्या x1 y1 ला लेफ्ट साईडला 10 mm, राईट साईड 10 mm, and xy ला पण 10 mm above xy line and 10 mm below xy line. Now from this, draw the another thin reference line at this circular along xy and draw vertical thin reference line. Now this is a vertical plane, this is a horizontal plane, and this is a side view plane. For side view plane, mark a 45-degree angle line from intersection of xy and x1 y1. So this is a 45-degree angle line, and draw a 45 degree angle. Now we can start this problem from this point. So in the front view, we can see this full surface. The hatching section is visible from the front view, and this corner points overlap with this intersection point of the new reference line. From this point to this length is 130 mm. So you can mark a 130 mm length first. 130 mm length. After that, from this to this is 80 mm distance. So mark this straight line distance 80 mm. 80 mm distance. After that, 40 mm half circle diameter is given. 40 mm आपण distance mark करूया. 40 mm, just mark a point, not distance, and the remaining distance is 10 mm. Now you can see the remaining distance is 10 mm. Now from this corner point, the height of this vertical edge is 30 mm. Draw the vertical 30 mm line. After that, from this corner to this corner, the distance of this edge is 70 mm, and this distance is parallel to the base line. So this distance is 70 mm. 70 mm. Then vertical line going to the z-axis. Draw the 30 mm vertical line. After that, the edge of this line is distance is 30 mm. 30 mm. Then from this line angle is not given, but the height of this edge, height of vertical line is given. It is 30 mm. So from this end, you can draw a 30 mm vertical line, and directly you can join these two endpoints. This is the circular part. So find the midpoint and draw the center line. Midpoint of this or center point of this circle is at 20 mm. So draw a center line. Now take a compass and measure this distance 20 mm and draw a half circle. Now this triangular part is visible. This triangular part directly we can draw here. Now this slot distance is 30 mm. हा जो slot आहे त्याचा distance 30 mm आहे. And in the front view, this slot is not visible. This edge is not visible. Vertical edge is not visible. So we can mark a 30 mm distance from this end, and with the help of hidden line, we can show this slot. So this is a front view for this object. Now take a projection from front view and we will draw a top view. Take a thin projection. Now the thickness of this object is 60 mm, width is 60 mm. So from this reference line, mark a 60 mm distance and draw a thick end lines. So these edges, the full edges are visible in the top. Now in the top view, we can see this T section. In the top view, the T section, the T surface is visible, as well as the C surface is visible. Now here, draw the center line first. This object is symmetrical, so we will complete the T surface first. This object is symmetrical, so we can draw a center line. Now mark a 30 mm distance. So this is center line. So along both sides, above this reference line, below this reference line, mark 15 mm and 15 mm distance. The edge distance, total distance, you can see here, 130 minus 70. So this is 60 mm. So from this end, this edge to this edge distance is 60 mm. 60 minus 30. तर हे जे डिस्टन्स असणार आहे हे 30 mm आहे आणि आपल्याला इथे आपण ऑलरेडी मार्क केलं डिस्टन्स ते. तर आपण ह्या ज्या हे जे दोन पॉईंट्स आहे, these points we can join up to this center and up to 30 mm distance. So this distance is 30 mm. You can see the distance is at 30 mm. Now the two edges we can draw, and the T edge is here, its position. So you can draw, we have drawn the T surface. Now these two edges are visible, 15 mm, 15 mm. Already this distance is 15 mm, 15 mm, so we can directly attach, we can directly join these two corner points. Now the circular hole, the half circular hole is throughout and it is invisible from the top. So with the help of hidden line, we can show these are the projections. Now the right side part consists of 20 mm edge, then the 30 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm and 20 mm. So this profile is visible from the top, from both the ends. Mark 20 mm, 20 mm distance. From this end, this is 20 mm, this is 20 mm. Now you can see 20, 20, 20. And this edge is 30 mm. So you can draw the line first, thin line. Now you can see already we have taken the projection from top. Now this, without measurement, you can draw this C slot. And these two edges are visible. This is a hollow part. You can see. This is a top view for this object. Now for side view, observer is looking this object from left hand side, and this surface is visible from the left hand side, as well as this slant surface is visible from the left hand side. Now this half circular part is not visible, so with the help of hidden line we can show this part. So first draw the overall box. So if I am looking from this side, so with the help of projection we can find the left hand side view box. So with the help of front view and top view we can draw the left hand side view box. Now you can see in the side view we get a width and height. So this is the width of this object and this is the height of this object. Now here from the left hand side view, this T surface is visible and the dimension of this T surface is 60, this is 30, this is 15, this is 30, 30, 30, 15, 30. So we have all the dimensions. So you can directly draw this profile. From front view we can take a projection. So from the both end the distance is 15 mm, 15 mm, 15 mm and 15 mm. So you can complete this T shape. You can see here. The T surface is visible from front, as well as this two slant surface. The position of these two slant surfaces here. So you can draw these two slide surface. Now this half circular part is not visible in the side view. So with the help of hidden line, we can show this line, as well as हा जो slot आहे C slot, this is also not visible from the front side. So with the help of hidden line we can show this slot. So from the front top view we can take the projection of this slot, take a projection and pass this projection on the side view. This is a complete side view, left hand side view for this object. This is a front view and this is a top view. Now give the dimensions. Now see the diagram, and this dimension we have to show here. So this distance is 30 mm. It 30 mm आहे. This is also 30 mm. This is a this is 70, 30, 30. Now the radius of this circle is R20. This is 30, 15, 15. The slot is this is 30 mm slot. This is 20, 20, 20. Okay. So we have given all the dimensions to this object. Now friends, try to solve this problem. This is very simple problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. Thank you for watching this video.